Namaste students, today's our topic is dividend. Section 205 of the Acts regulate the declaration and distribution of dividend. All the companies which have share capital other than Section 25 companies and make profit are bound by law to declare and distribute dividends. As per Section 205 of the Company Act 1956, a dividend including interim dividend can be paid out of current profits or profit accumulated of earlier years. However, depreciation for the entire year has to provide before a dividend is declared or paid. For this purpose, the board needs to approve the provisional financial results and a working of the profits available for distribution as dividend. Post providing for depreciation for the full year and amount required to be transferred to reserves as per the companies. Section 205A, B and C deal with some other aspect of distribution of dividend such as establishment of investors, education and protection fund, payment of unpaid and unclaimed dividend, etc. Separate bank account needs to be opened and to amount of dividend will have to be transferred to that account. Dividend will have to be remitted with 30 days of declaration. The other procedure of record date book closure, payment of tax on dividend within 7 days of declaration, etc. will have to be compiled with dividend is also payable out of divisible profits or out of monies provided by the central or any state government for the payment of dividend in pursuance of a guarantee given by the government. Mode of declaration: dividend can be declared out of 4 sources. Firstly, it can be declared out of the profits of the company for that year arrived at after providing for depreciation in accordance with the provisions of the Act, or secondly, out of the profit of the company for any previous financial year or years arrived at after providing for depreciation in accordance with those provisions and remaining undistributed, or thirdly, out of the both, or lastly, out of the money provided by the central government or state government for the payment of dividend in pursuance of a guarantee given by that government. Prohibition: a company which has failed to redeem the irredeemable preferential shares within the stipulated time cannot declare dividend. Steps involve the process of declaration and distribution of dividend, computation of depreciation, compulsory transfer of profits to reserve, board resolution, annual general meeting, time limit for payment of dividend, transfer to unpaid dividend accounts. Circumstances under which dividend need not be paid: where it could not be paid because of operation of any law, where a shareholder has given direction to the company regarding payment of dividend and those directions could not be complied with, where there is a dispute regarding the right to receive the dividend, where the dividend has been lawfully adjusted by the company against any sum due from the shareholders, and where the dividend could not be paid not due to any default on part of the company. Thank you so much.